Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix a WordPress 404 error or 404 not found. So it commonly occurs when you newly migrate your site to a new host. You change your URL, permalink structure, and have it redirected to the old URL. You don't have file permissions. You have opened an incorrect URL, poorly coded plugin or theme. So here we go. Thank you, cloudways.com provide us this article. This is the solution that I want to retell you. So this is the how does the 404 error affect your website, like negatively impact user experience, risks website penalization, blocks page indexing, leads to traffic and resource loss. Here we go. How you can fix it? You can clear browser history and cookies. So you can try to clearing the browser cache and cookies, or you can try to visit your site in incognito mode. Second, this is important, you can set up your permalink. So you can log into your WordPress dashboard, go to the settings, then you can see there is a permalinks here. You can select the default settings, click save change buttons. Here we go. Change the setting to the previous configuration, the one you selected before default. Put the custom structure back if you had one, then save settings. So the solution could fix the WordPress 404 page not found or the WordPress permalink not working error. So if this doesn't work, you will need to edit the Htaccess. So here you can restore. Since the Htaccess is hidden file, you must set all files as visible in your FTP. So here you can log into your server using an FTP client. Download .htaccess file, which is located at the same location as the folder, this one, like a WP content, WP admin, WP included. And here, open the downloaded file in any text editor. Visit the Htaccess support page and copy paste the version of the code that is most suitable for your website. Save the Htaccess file and upload it to live server. So here also you can try to set up a 301 redirect if you change the URL any specific page and haven't redirected yet. So you can try to redirect the old URL to your new one. So you can install the redirection plugin, go to the WordPress dashboard, click tools, redirection, complete the setup and new redirection. You can disabling plugins or theme. So go to the plugins, install plugins. Here you can try to update the plugin or remove it to get rid of the error. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and also contact button below. See you in the next